What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your Wi-Fi settings are not showing up on your Windows PC. If you're experiencing the problem where Wi-Fi options are missing in your Windows settings, I'll guide you through a few solutions to get it back. First, we'll try running the Network Troubleshooter, which is a built-in Windows tool designed to diagnose and fix connectivity problems. Search for Settings in your Start menu and hit Enter. In the Settings menu, navigate to System and scroll down to find Troubleshoot. Click on it and then select Other Troubleshooters. You will see a list of available troubleshooters. Look for Internet Connections and click on Run next to it. The troubleshooter will begin detecting issues with your network. Follow any prompts it provides to check for specific problems. It might take a few moments, so give it time to analyze the issue. Once completed, you may see a report or any problems detected, such as IP address conflicts or missing network adapters. If the troubleshooter identifies an issue and provides a solution, follow the steps to resolve it. If not, don't worry, let's move on to another method. Next, let's try manually re-enabling your Wi-Fi adapter, as sometimes it can become temporarily disabled. Open the Windows Start menu, search for ncpa.cpl and hit Enter. This command will open a Network Connections window, where you will see all available network adapters. Locate your Wi-Fi adapter from the list. It may be labeled with Wi-Fi or wireless. Right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter and select Disable. Wait a few seconds, then right-click on it again and choose Enable. This refreshes the Wi-Fi adapter and can resolve many connectivity issues. Once you've re-enabled the adapter, check if the Wi-Fi option has returned in your settings. If your Wi-Fi settings are still not visible after enabling the adapter, try restarting your PC, as this can sometimes help apply recent changes to network settings. After the restart, check your settings again to see if Wi-Fi is now available. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.